In this video, the Bitcoin price is rejected exactly by this Fibonacci resistance which we have been mentioning yesterday, as well as the 50 MA. But the question is, what is next for the Bitcoin price? And on top of that, we're also going to give you a quick update with Ethereum as well as Harmony One. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And before we start this video, you can actually check out our pre-Gabb's Crypto 101 playlist. So if let's say, baguhan pa lang kayo sa trading tapos gusto nyo palang matuto, you can actually check out this free Crypto 101 playlist that you can actually find the description down below. Dito sa playlist na yan, pinakita ko sa inyo lahat ng mga technical indicators na ginagamit ko, paano mag-long, paano mag-short, as well as different tutorial videos na makikita mo all for free. So unlike sa mga ibang YouTubers or mga ibang platform na may bayad, sa akin lahat sila ay libre and you can actually check them out in the description down below. So now let's dive into the Bitcoin price and let's give a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa ating previous analysis, what we were monitoring was this resistance around the 46.6k or 46.7 or 46.8. Kasi diba sabi ko sa inyo, may resistance tayo dyan forming as well as this 50 MA in the 4-hour time frame. Kasi if you are going to get a candle close above, then we are going to see a movement pataas. Pero yun nga, wala tayong nakita movement sa taas. Ang nangyari is, we saw a candle close below. So that is a shorting opportunity. So congratulations if you have shorted that. And diba sa mga previous videos, diba sabi ko sa inyo, if nababoard kayo, pwede nyo paglaruan itong support and resistance between the 45.5k up until the 46.8k. Pwede nyo kasi siya swing trade by buying at the support and then selling at the resistance. So right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price? So on top of that, yung gusto ko din ipakita sa inyo is this Fibonacci retracement na pinalot natin kahapon. And if you can see, you can also find that this area is also the 618 resistance area. So this is a very strong resistance area right now with the Bitcoin price. So in order for us to flip bullish, we must have a 4-hour candle close above the 46.7k area in order for us to continue to the upside. And right now, wala pa tayo nakikita ng candle close above and we are still playing within this support and resistance area. And as you can see, right now, the 44.3k is acting as a very strong support right now with the Bitcoin price. As you can see, we are seeing a lot of bounces dito. So I think we are going to expect more consolidation between the 44 up until the 46.8k. And then as you can see right now, we are seeing a lot of support din dito sa ating 100 MA in the 4-hour time frame. So I think this is a good thing to watch out ngayon if we are going to see a bounce dyan. Now, zooming in within the early time frame, let's try to understand what is happening with the Bitcoin price. As you can see right now, we are actually forming a falling channel. Nagkaroon tayo ng breakout, but as you can see, walang buy volume dito sa breakout natin. So, that could actually lead into a fake out. So, right now, you have to watch that one out kung ano mangyari dyan. Now, another thing to note dito is, ang pwede mangyari dito is pwede tayo mag-form ng bullish divergence if let's say nagkaroon tayo ng one last drop dito kay Bitcoin. And then at the same time nagkaroon tayo ng increasing RSI, then that could be a sign of a bullish trend reversal. In that case, that we could see Bitcoin move to the upside if let's say nakita tayo ng bullish trend reversal indicator. Take note, the price must be declining at the same time the RSI must be increasing in order for us to see a bullish trend reversal signal. Nonetheless, ang magiging target natin dito is the top of the channel, which is around the 46.7k. So as you can see, this is more likely going to be another consolidation area between the support and resistance area. So in that case, we are going to expect more consolidation dito with the Bitcoin price, especially na hindi pa natin na-break yung ating 46.6k in the 4-hour time frame as well as with the Fibonacci retracement area. Looking at the MACD indicator, you can see now we are starting to form a bullish momentum dito. So in that case, we might actually see a bullish retracement dito to the upside kasi look at that. MACD is potentially forming a bullish retracement. So we might actually see this go up to the upside. And this is actually just for the very short term lang kasi this is in the smaller time frame. But looking at this with the bigger time frame, especially within the 4-hour and daily, you can see na not much to talk about pa din. With the daily time frame, I think this is a warning. Pero nag-cross na nga siya. So yeah, I don't think na may i-expect tayo malaking move for the time being for the daily time frame, especially with the 4-hour kasi it's actually moving sideways. But with the weekly time frame, let's try to look at the weekly time frame. You can see na nagkaroon tayo ng bullish cross and then we are above the 21-week EMA and the 21-week EMA is currently acting as a support area right now with the Bitcoin price. So right now, 43K or 44.3K is actually acting as a very strong support. So right now, that is what we have to monitor with the Bitcoin price. Now, also another thing to talk about dito is if you're going to zoom out with the daily time frame kay Bitcoin, you can see now we are still playing within this ascending triangle and we are still above this area. And as of the time being, we are starting to retest this support na yan. So, pwede kasi actually makuha tayo ng bounce dyan if let's say umakit palalo dyan si Bitcoin. And then, ang target talaga dito is actually still the 50 up until the 55K. But right now, we are still not seeing any buy volume. But if we indeed see any buy volume, then our target would be around the 50 up until the 55K. And right now, we still don't have any buy volume. So, right now, we still have to watch this one out kung ano mangyari next. Kasi pwede yung mangyari dyan is mag-decline and then mag-bounce. That case, that could be a good re-entry opportunity dito with the Bitcoin price action. But for the time being, all indicators are saying that we are moving sideways pa for the time being, especially within the shorter time frame. So right now, keep calm and patience lang talaga. But if you want to long or short those, yung mga intra-volatility market movement, yung mga very short term, as well as yung mga pump and dump for the very short term, you can actually trade those movements. Ito, yung mga pump and dump within the support and resistance areas. And then you can actually trade that with Bybit if let's say you want to long or short with the lowest fees possible. So if you want to claim bonus ito with Bybit, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below. Now let's talk about the altcoin market, and as you can see, Ethereum is right now breaking down from this rising wedge na pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, if we are going to break this rising wedge, then this is a shorting opportunity. So right now, yun yung ating very good shorting opportunity right now with the Ethereum price action. And look at this, we met our first target around the 3.3K exact as predicted. So congratulations if you have shorted that movement. But right now, we have to watch out for the movement dito kasi I think this could be a potential bear flag because look at this. We are seeing that movement, may ascending channel. Technically, ang traditional target nito would be the bottom of the channel, which is around the 3.3K pa din. Pero if this is a bear flag, then we can actually continue this movement to the downside up until the movement ng 3.2K. So in that case, that would be our target for Ethereum if let's say we are going to play this bear flag. But ano ba yung bullish scenario nito? So if let's say nag-break bullish to, then our target is just by getting the height nito, lagyan natin siya possible point of breakout, then we can actually see Ethereum go back to 3.4K. Now, take note of the bullish and bearish target na sinabi ko kanina kasi those are the things na you have to watch out for with the Ethereum price action. Especially na those are swing tradable opportunities na we can actually take advantage within the Ethereum price action. And then last but not least, let's talk about Harmony 1 kasi look at this. Harmony 1 is still playing within the descending channel na pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon, and this is a swing tradable opportunity kasi look at this. You can actually swing trade between the support and resistance area. And then as you can see, we are actually having a very strong support within the support area nito Harmony 1. So right now, I think this is a good opportunity to watch out for. Though, may can see na we are starting to form this doji candle dito sa ating 4-hour time frame. So, siguro this could indicate a bullish retracement pero for the very short term lang. So, you have to watch that one out very closely kasi if not, pwede tayo mag-continue pa din within this falling channel within Harmony 1. So, right now, these are the coins na aking monitor right now within the altcoin market as well as with the Bitcoin price action, especially with this massive opportunity na we can actually take advantage with the Harmony 1 price action as well as with the Bitcoin price action. So, ayun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.